In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GTA 5 black screen issue when launching the game. Method 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA cards, visit NVIDIA.com. For AMD cards, go to AMD.com. Method 2. Run GTA 5 as administrator. Right-click the GTA 5 shortcut or executable file. Select Properties, Compatibility. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Method 3. Disable Full Screen Optimization. In the same Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Apply the changes. Method 4. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher. Find GTA 5 in your library. Choose Verify Integrity of Game Files, Steam, or Verify Epic Games. Let it finish to fix any corrupted files. Method 5. Disable Overlays. Disable overlays from apps like Discord, Steam, or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. These can interfere with GTA 5 launching properly. Method 6. Adjust graphics settings. Try launching the game in windowed mode instead of full screen. You can do this by editing the settings.xml file located in your Documents /Rockstar Games /GTA 5 folder. Change full screen, false, /full screen, or set resolution to something compatible. Method 7. Update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Download the latest DirectX from Microsoft's official site. Also, update or reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. Thanks for watching. If this helped fix your GTA 5 black screen issue, please like and subscribe for more gaming fixes.